Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PGA to your stuck on loading screen. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to background apps, turn off this option, go back, go to Windows Update Settings, and make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and go back and then go to after that you go to GeForce Experience, then go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card, and then go to settings, scroll down and you will find here image scaling, enable it, and then open task manager. Now just click memory to see applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome, and keep scrolling down and close end all the tasks that you don't need and you must know what they do. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.